You're feeding the birds? Oh, I hear thunder. Oh, wait, here. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Here, I'm gonna upload this video. I'll send it to you. Okay, bye. Feed the birds. Oh, there you go. Oh, it didn't get over the fence? Yeah. Woo! Oh, we're gonna have so many birds now. Do you hear that? Thunder? Or... Yes? What's behind me? Oh, there's birds over there eating your muffin. That's okay. You're not eating it. There's probably bug poo. Oh, you're gonna have a little bite? It's kind of stale. Oh. Oh yeah, it's good to sprinkle it all over the place. Yeah. Oh, there's a seagull. Yeah, they spotted it. There's a seagull. Oh, there's a little baby tree. Oh. Yeah, there it is. Josh, there's thunder coming. We should get inside the house. Let's go inside and feed the birds later, okay? Please? I'm afraid of lightning. Oh, here come the birds. Oh, jeez. Are you all done for now? We can come back? Oh, look at, they're circling. They're circling like sharks. Bye. Oh. Woo! Big toast slice. Oh, look at all the seagulls, Josh. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's one. Now there's like 7. Oh, we're just gonna have a feeding frenzy. But they're leaving because of thunder. I don't know. Storms are coming. There's dark clouds behind us. Blue skies, dark clouds. Okay. Oh, it's all empty now? Is it empty? What's that?
Mommy.
Yes?
Mommy.
The birds are going to come and eat it. I see them circling. But then they hear the thunder, so they're going to go inside. Did you want to go inside?
Okay.
Can we please go inside? Okay. Say bye for now. Bye.
Bye-bye.